How to enable the floating Windows mode for apps on your OnePlus 12R or the OnePlus 12. Same thing. Let's go ahead and get started. In order to enable the floating Windows mode, one, you'll have to perform the recents gesture if you have your navigation gestures, or tap on the recents button here. And every time you tap on the recents or perform the recents mode, you will see all the apps that you have open already, okay? And for every app you have open already, there is these three dots at the top right. When you tap on it, there's a menu that's going to show up, and one of them is going to be the floating window. Not every app will have this feature, and sorry to say, YouTube doesn't have it, which they should. But when you see it, you'll tap on it like this here, and the app is going to appear like that to the top right, okay? Now you can move this around, okay? And when you single tap it, it's going to expand like this here for you, and you can still move it around, and you can also navigate it. You can also shrink it a little bit by pulling to the bottom right or left. And also, if you have another app open in full mode here, like that, full display here, you can also continue navigating this one here while browsing this one here, okay? Now, when you're ready to exit this here, there is this little tiny X at the top right there. I'll show you that there in a moment. Okay, this little X here, that's to close it out, okay? But if you want to expand it back to full screen, you'll tap on that right there, okay? That's going to bring it back to the full screen mode, okay? And that is that. Like and sub.